Okay, C major 7 is regular C chord without your first finger. Because in music, that's the one, that is C. When you drop that a half step, like this C, when you drop that note one, which is, that's a major 7. Well, the way I do it, instead of this C, I put my third finger on the low E and pinky on the A, 3rd fret. Second finger there. It's fatter than.
Okay.
To A minor, F minor, you can use the folk music G or the bar chord.
Okay.
So it's just. Don't worry about that part. Then I come in, which is you still with this. Starts over, it's long. C, F, C, 7, F major, F minor. Go to C, G, C, and C7 again. F minor again, we'll just repeat it. After this we go G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starts over, it's just that over and over.
Okay.
And at the end, I'll go.
Yeah, ending is good.
I'll do this. Instead of that lead, I'll do the. So one time I go that high, which is C, then just hang on the F, hang on the G, and I'll do this, which is during the G, then I'll go. Time I go that high, just like the G ring. Oh no, that's the C. Then I'll do the. Then we both just do the C major 7, let it ring, and I'll throw in a little, some little thing at the end. And that's it. And you've got it on record.